Hello, grade 9 students. I'm Ms. Farah Mahfouz. I will teach you life science. Hope my videos help and clarify the main points you need to know to be ready for your official exams. In this video, I'm going to continue introducing the digestive system by classifying food according to their structure and complexity. Food are classified into two types, organic and inorganic, based on their structure. And organic foods are those that need digestion, while inorganic foods are those that do not need digestion. As you can see here in the chart, the organic food is divided into four main subtypes: carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, and vitamins, while inorganic foods are classified into water and minerals. I already discussed with you last time in the previous session the role of each one of them. Based on the complexity, the food can be also divided into two types: complex food or simple food. Complex food including the carbohydrates, lipids, or proteins, but also some types of foods, they contain the three together: carbohydrates, lipids, and proteins together, like the bread. And the second type is the simple food, which include water, vitamins, and minerals. Now let's define food. What is food? Okay, the food is that consists of chain of simpler components bonded together. The table here can show clearly what I mean, and we will discuss each complex food and its simple components in the next slides. For carbohydrate energetic complex food, it is divided into three branches, as you can see, according to the number of the sugar units. For the monosaccharides, mono here means one, okay, represents single or one sugar molecule like the glucose, fructose, and galactose. For the disaccharide, which represents two simple sugar molecules linked together like maltose, sucrose, and lactose. While the third one is the polysaccharide, okay, for the third branch, which is polysaccharide, it represents the long chains of monosaccharide like starch and cellulose, which each includes repeated glucose units, but the cellulose found only in plants, in the plant cell wall. Okay. As for the glycogen, it consists of branched polysaccharide glucose units. Okay, I want to go back to the disaccharide here, to the maltose, sucrose, and lactose. As we said, it contains two sugar molecules linked together. Maltose here consists of two glucose units, so it contains two glucose units. For the lactose, it contains glucose and galactose linked together. For the sucrose, it contains or consists of glucose and fructose linked together. Okay. Now for the protein, as a building up food, its simplest unit is the amino acid. Okay, and to have a protein, we should have between 2 and 25 amino acids linked together with a peptide bond. Okay, guys. Now, proteins are different, okay? And this difference is based on three criteria. First, the number of amino acids, okay? Second, the nature of amino acids or the type of amino acids. We have 20 types of amino acids, and the sequence of amino acids, okay? How they are ordered. Now let's move to the lipid, which is energy storage food. These foods, upon hydrolysis, they are divided into three fatty acids, as you can see, and one glycerol. Let's make a quick summary. So we eat complex food like carbohydrates, lipids, proteins. Then the digestive system is going to transform it into simpler nutrients. If it is carbohydrates, it's going to be monosaccharide, disaccharide, or polysaccharide. If it is lipids, it's going to be fatty acids and glycerol. If proteins, it's going to be to become amino acids. Okay. Then these nutrients will be delivered by the blood to all the body cells to get the energy needed and to build up our body. Okay. Now let's do this activity. Let's solve this activity together just to reinforce the ideas discussed as well as link them to our daily life. Okay. So let's look at these different food pictures and indicate their constituents, complex and simple in nutrients. I want you now to pause the video. Okay, after it, pause the video for a little bit and have a look at these pictures and try to indicate the complex food as well as the simple nutrients obtained from these foods. You can use also the 2 videos that I have sent in the first session. So, of course, what you are thinking about is correct because oil belongs to the lipid class, which is made up of 3 fatty acids and 1 glycerol, while fish belongs to the protein class, which is made up of amino acids units, while banana belongs to the carbohydrates, which contain the starch as a polysaccharide here, okay? And now finally here I have the last slide, which will be related to the assignment. Here you have to fill in the blank with the proper or the right word. Okay, please guys solve it and send it back to me as a picture or a screenshot. Okay, and thank you so much. Good luck.